When rodents like rats or mice create nests in your home, eliminate them fast with Warfare Rodent Bait. This first-generation anticoagulant rodenticide is made with ingredients that will attract nearby rodents. Plus, the blocks are designed with a rough texture to satisfy a rodent's instinct to gnaw constantly. To prevent bait shyness, Warfare is a slow-killing bait that gives time for the rodents to find, share, and consume the poison. This product is labeled to kill rodents like Norway rats, roof rats, house mice, and voles. For above-ground baiting, use tamper-proof rodent bait stations and wear gloves. A tamper-proof bait station will deny any children, pets, or non-target animals access to the bait, and gloves will prevent you from leaving any human scent on the bait or the bait station. If rodents detect any human scent, they may avoid the bait altogether. For best practice, we'll go over how to use Warfare with tamper-proof rat and mouse bait stations. Load your bait stations with Warfare bait blocks. Warfare blocks come with pre-drilled holes to allow easy placement onto your station's rods. The amount you'll need depends on the rodent you're targeting. For rats, apply 4 to 16 blocks per station. For mice, you only need 1 block per station. Place the stations about 8 to 12 feet apart for mice or 15 to 30 feet apart for rats. Set them where you've noticed rodent activity. To determine the best spots to bait, look for grease marks along walls, fur, rodent droppings, gnaw marks, and rodent burrows. Check your bait stations every few days to look for activity. Replenish bait as needed. Keep the stations supplied for at least 15 days to ensure all pests in the area can consume the bait. If you're dealing with voles, look for signs of vole activity like burrow openings or missing or eaten plant bulbs around flower beds, shrubs, and ground cover. Place 1 block in each station, then set them near where you've seen activity. Maintain a fresh supply of bait for at least 15 days or until there are no new signs of vole activity. Warfare Rodent Bait is labeled to be used in and within 100 feet of man-made structures. These structures include, but are not limited to, homes, food processing facilities, industrial and commercial buildings, trash receptacles, and transport vehicles like ships, trains, and aircrafts. For fence and perimeter baiting, setting bait beyond 100 feet from a structure is prohibited. Warfare Rodent Bait can be used anytime you notice rodent activity. Rodent infestations can occur anytime during the year, but they may be more common during fall and winter when rats and mice try to move into man-made structures in search of food, water, and shelter. Warfare Rodent Bait is safe to use when used according to label directions. Always wear the proper personal protective equipment or PPE when handling chemicals, especially gloves, so you avoid leaving any human scent. The ingredient warfarin is a first-generation anticoagulant rodenticide. Rodents must consume the bait over several days in order to ingest a lethal amount. The toxic compounds are excreted rapidly, so these rodenticides pose less risk to wildlife that feed on rodents that have died from ingesting the bait. Before you set any bait for rodent control, clean up and remove all secondary food and water sources like pet food or water bowls. Sweep and vacuum the floors, then wipe down surfaces with warm water to remove any grime. For best control, rodents must have no alternative food or water sources available. Warfare Rodent Bait is an effective rodenticide that will help you get control of your rodent infestation. Most active infestations cannot be controlled through the use of one product. For full control, you'll also need to set a wide variety of traps like easy set rat traps, pro glue boards, or pro glue trays. This way, you cast a wide net so you can catch the most pests possible and eliminate your infestation.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small, family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to help you treat your pest problem. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or stop by one of our stores and we can help you out.